Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy sausage and hash brown casserole. It's really yummy for your tummy, so keep on watching. Okay, so first step, make sure you tie up your hair so it doesn't get in your food and people don't pick out a piece of hair while they're eating, because that's disgusting. And then we're going to start off by thawing out this Jimmy Dean hot premium pork sausage. If you're vegan, I'm sorry, this recipe is not for you. Okay, so once this is done defrosting, you're gonna put it in a pan in medium-high heat and cook it up and make sure it's all crumbled up with like a golden brown kind of color to it. And then you're going to take it out and drain it. Okay, make sure you put some water in a spoon before you start putting the meat inside the pan. And then just put it in the pan and it kind of helps it not stick. So next we're going to take off the first end. I like to wear gloves because I don't like touching raw meat. And you're just going to open up the package and squeeze it out. And then you're going to break it up with a fork like this. Okay, so you're going to let that cook for a bit. Let it get nice and golden brown. And then we're going to move on. Set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, I use packaged hash browns for convenience, but you could always make your own hash browns at home if you like that better. So you're going to go ahead and pour your hash brown into your bowl. And you need about half of this bag. This bag is 30 ounces, but you only need 15 ounces. Okay, so now you want to get your cheese. This is the Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese, but you can use any sort of cheddar cheese you want, but you need roughly a cup of this to go into your mix. This is a little bit more than a cup of cheese, but who doesn't like cheese? So this is roughly how your sausage should look. It's getting a little bit of this golden brown color, and you're gonna make sure that it's all crumbled up like this. Once it's all cooked up, you're gonna go ahead and put a plate with a napkin and put the sausage on there so it could absorb all of the oil, and that way it's not all in your casserole. Make sure you put an oven mitt so you don't burn your hand. And we'll just leave this right here for a little bit, probably like a couple minutes to let it all drain out. Make sure you grease your pan before you put your mixture into it so it doesn't like stick to the pan once you take it out of the oven. So this is where the real magic begins. We're gonna go ahead and get our hash brown and our sausage. We're gonna do one more little pat down before we put it into the mixture. That way it ensures that all the excess grease is off of it. Look at, you could see all this grease that was there. So we're gonna go ahead and dump that into the hash brown mixture. Like that. And you're gonna take half a teaspoon of salt. And then you're gonna need half a teaspoon of black pepper. And pour it in there. Next, you're gonna add in your cheddar cheese. like that, and then stir it all together. Gotta make sure you get real deep in there because sometimes hash brown hides. And next we're gonna go ahead and make our like wet mixture, the part that makes it sort of a casserole, in this bowl right here. Okay, we're gonna take 1 cup of milk. Dump it into the bowl. Once you pour in your milk into the bowl, you're gonna crack 3 eggs. And then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you're gonna whisk it all together. Then next, you're gonna get your dish and put your hash brown mixture into it. Okay, and then once you do that, you're gonna pour your egg milk mixture into it. Okay, and once you do that, I like to put on gloves again and mix it together with my hands so the egg mixture really absorbs into the hash brown mixture. And finally, you're gonna cover it with a piece of foil and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. For the last 5 minutes of the 45 minutes, you're gonna uncover it and let it toast up a bit more without the foil on it. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and uncover it because it only has 5 minutes left. Be careful, it is hot. And then push it back in. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, so the oven just beeped. That's how it should look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this breakfast casserole recipe. Remember to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Bye! Who doesn't like cheese? You? Cameraman?
I love cheese.
Make sure you grease your pan before you put your mixture into it so it doesn't get crustified and sticky.
Crustified? Is that even a word?
Yeah. Hashbrown's pie. Doesn't make any sense.